Now I am going to start our session. So listen here. Today I am going to cover all the basic tags in HTML. Okay, right. So today I am going to tell another key point in SQL also. Sorry, HTML. Okay, right. So what is the key point in HTML? So the last class, as I said you people, what is the key point in at the end of the session? I am going to enable chat box. If you have any doubts, ask me at that time. Okay, right. So okay, fine. So what is the key point in HTML? So key point one. Key point one. So what is the key point one? HTML contains what? Tags. Each and every tag contains every tag contains specific use. Okay, if you know use of particular tag, then you can happily use the tag. You know use of particular tag, you can happily use that tag. You can use that tag in order to fulfill your requirement. Okay, so this is the key point one, right? So in the last and also HTML programs output will be displayed on HTML programs output will be displayed on browser, any web browser. You can use any web browser to see output of HTML programs, because HTML programs output is static web page. Okay, if you want to open web pages, you must use browser. Okay, so listen here. HTML program is also called document. HTML document. What is the other name of HTML program? You can also call HTML document. So in the last class, I already explained about some tags. So what are those? Title tag. So what is the use of title tag? So title tag opening and the title tag closing. So what is the use of title tag? So if you write anything inside title tag, then that will be displayed on title bar of the browser. Okay, this is the use of title tag. Now what is the use of body tag? So there is another tag. What is the tag? Body tag. So what is the use of body tag? If you write anything inside the body tag, then that will be displayed on web page of the browser. Okay, so if you write anything inside body tag opening and body tag closing, then it will be displayed on web page of the browser. Okay, web page of the browser. Suppose my requirement is, what is my requirement? My requirement is, so listen here, don't write program first of all, and then don't execute that. So go if you want to develop a web page very easily, first of all assume the output. Okay, based on the output, first of all, what is the step one? Assume the output. Okay, based on the output, you need to write program. Okay, after writing program, you will execute that particular program. Then your assumption and output of that particular program is matched, then you will get exact web page. Okay. So first of all, so there is a web page like this. There is a browser. Okay, like this. Browser contains how many buttons? 3 buttons. This is close, this is minimize, and this is maximize, and this is minimize. Okay. So close button, maximize button, minimize button. So this is search bar or address bar. Here you are going to write URL of the web page which you want to open. So this is called title bar. This entire part is called web page. So suppose my requirement is here I want to display Dhaapps. Here I want to display what? Dhaapps. Dhaapps demo. Dhaapps demo. And here I want to display welcome to Dhaapps. Welcome to Dhaapps. Dhaapps. So this is my requirement. So to display anything inside that, to display anything on the title bar, we need to use title tag. To display anything on web page, we need to use body tag. Okay, right. So just to go to already I explained you people this particular program, but I want to tell key point 2. It depends on key point 1. Okay. So open edit plus and go to file, new, others, HTML. Okay. So first of all, you need to write HTML tag opening. Immediately close HTML tag. So then inside HTML tag, you need to write head tag opening and head tag closing. Okay. After that, body tag opening, body tag closing. Okay. So inside header tag, you need to write title tag. So title tag opening and title tag closing. So what is my requirement? I want to give title on the title bar of browser as Dhaapps. So here you need to write Dhaapps. Dhaapps demo. Okay. Now to display anything on the web page of the browser. So here I want to display welcome to Dhaapps. So here I will write like this. Okay, save this program. So in the last class, I am creating a folder. Okay, so where is that folder? Dhaapps Front-End Technologies HTML programs. You can give any name. Okay, suppose I want to give name as test, but you need to give extension as .html. So in order to save HTML program, what is the extension? .html. Any name .html. Okay, save this. So to see the output, go to this PC, E drive, institute classes, Dhaapps. So here front-end technologies, HTML programs. So this is my program. Okay. So this is Microsoft Edge browser. Click on this. Here we are writing some mistake. That's why we are getting error. What is that? Title tag opening, title tag closing. Save this. So just refresh the browser. So observe here we are getting Dhaapps demo, and here we are getting welcome to Dhaapps. That's it. Now I am going to tell you people key point 2 in HTML. Suppose my requirement is I want to change the background color of the web page. Okay, observe here. What is the background color of web page? White color. But I don't like white color. Here I want to display green color. Is it possible to change? Yes, we can. Okay. Yes, we can. Here, what is the text color of the web page? text color black color. I don't like black color. I want to change it as blue color. Is it possible? Yes. Sir, just remember one principle. That is my principle only. Okay. So not it belongs to Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, and so on, etc. This is my principle. What is that? Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Just you know how to do it. Okay. Sir, how to change the background color of the web page and how to change the text color on the web page? Yes, this is possible. For that, we need attributes. For that, we need what? Attributes. Now, the key point 2 in HTML is nothing but key point 2. Listen here. Every tag contains attributes. Okay. Every tag contains what? Attributes. Attribute contains values. Each and every attribute and its value contains some specific purpose. If you know the purpose of attribute, if you know the purpose of value of that attribute, then you can use that attribute in order to fulfill your requirement. Okay. So come on, tell me what is the key point 2? Every HTML tag contains what? Contains attributes. Okay. Each attribute contains what? Some specific value. Attribute contains value. Okay. So every value contains what? Some specific use. Okay. So if you know attribute and its value purpose, attributes and their values purpose are used, then you can happily use that attributes. Okay, to fulfill your requirement. Okay, to fulfill your requirement. Sir, how to specify attributes? By mixing key point 1 and key point 2. Here I am going to tell single key point. So what is that? HTML contains what? HTML contains what? Tags. Tags contains, each and every tag contains use and also contains attributes. Okay. So attributes contains what? Values. Attributes contains what? Values. Okay. Attributes and values, their corresponding values contains what? Some use. Okay. If you know what is that HTML tag, if you know what is the use of that particular HTML tag, if you know what are the attributes belongs to that particular HTML tag and what are the corresponding values of those attributes. Okay. So then you can use those tags and those tags, attributes and values, and you are able to develop a beautiful static web page. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. I know about HTML tags and attributes and values. How to specify attributes for the tags? So the general form or syntax for specifying attributes for tags. It's very simple. Tag name, attribute 1 equal to its corresponding value. Okay. Space attribute 2 equal to that particular attribute's corresponding value. Space and so on, etc. and so on. Attribute n equal to its corresponding value. Okay. That next tag closing. Okay. Like this, we will specify attributes for a particular tag. So first of all, so tag name, So these are the various attributes of this particular tag. Okay. So the attribute and its corresponding value. Okay. And attribute 2 and its corresponding value. And so on. Attribute n and its corresponding values. Attributes is in the form of key value pairs. So this is name of the attribute and this is value of that attribute. So and hence this entire part is in the form of key value pair. So attributes are separated with space. You must specify space in between attributes, Okay, attribute and its corresponding value is separated with equal to. Okay, right. Suppose now I am going to explain about what are the attributes of body tag. Okay, so body tag opening and body tag closing. So there are some attributes belongs to body tag. Okay, so there are so many attributes. Okay, so the attributes of which tag? Body tag. The attributes of body tag. So first attribute bg color, and second attribute text, bg color, text. Third attribute background, and the fourth attribute, there are so many attributes. I am going to tell some attributes. Okay, so link, and the fifth attribute a link, and so on, etc. Okay, so sir, what is the use of bg color? So its value, bg color attribute value specifies background color of the web page. Okay, so finally here I am going to tell one conclusion. Tag contains attributes. Attributes contains values. If you know tag name and its purpose, and those that particular tag attributes and their purposes, then you can happily use that. Okay, so observe here what is my requirement? I want to change the background color of the web page. Okay, this entire web page belongs to, if you want to display anything in this particular entire web page, which tag you are going to use? Come on, which tag you are going to use? So body tag. Okay, and this welcome to Dhaapps message is also displayed on web page. So this entire particular part belongs to body tag. So here we are going to use body tag attributes only. Okay, to customize this particular web page, we need to use body tag attributes. So I will give same terminology for all attributes. Okay, so first one is bg color. So bg color, what is bg color? It is one of the attribute of body tag. So what is the use of this particular attribute? So its value, bg color attribute value specifies background color of the web page. Okay, background color of the web page. Okay, specifies background color of the web page. If you want to change background color of the web page, then you need to use bg color attribute of the body tag. So here I am going to show you. So where I need to specify? So here bg color. If you want to make it as green color from white color, so here you need to specify color name. So green. Okay, so right. So first of all, you need to identify. Come on, tell me here how many tags we are having. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tags. HTML tag opening, HTML tag closing. Inside HTML tag, how many tags you are having? Two tags. One is head tag and another one is body tag. Inside head tag, how many tags you are having? Only one tag. What is that? Title tag. Okay, here we are specifying any attribute for any tag. Yes, so here we are specifying attribute for body tag. We are not specifying attributes for any other tag except to body tag. Okay, So here we are specifying how many attributes for body tag, only one attribute. What is that? BG color, and its value is green. If you write like this, the background color of web page is changed to green color. Okay, observe. So just click on refresh button. Changed or not? Okay. Sir, is it compulsory to specify attributes? No, it is optional. It depends upon requirement. If you want to change background color, you are going to use BG color. If you don't want, you are not interested to change background color, there is no need of using BG color. So everything in the hands of HTML programmer. Okay. Okay, fine. So suppose I am removing this and save. So if you execute, so color is removed or not? Okay, fine. Now I want to change the text color on the web page. So for that, we need another attribute. That attribute name is text. So what is the use of text attribute? So text attribute contains some value. Okay, that value specifies that value text specifies text color on the web page. Text color on the web page. Okay. Suppose I want to change text color. So what is the default text color on the web page? Black color. I want to make it as blue color. How to make it as blue color? You need to specify text equal to blue. Okay. If you write like this, so the text color on the web page becomes blue color. Observe one thing. Observe once. Changed or not? Okay, absolutely. Now I want to change both background color of the web page and text color of the web page. Then I need to specify how many attributes of body tag? 2 attributes. One is BG color and another one is text tag. Suppose I am writing BG color equal to green, BG color equal to green, and text equal to blue. Now tell me. So here we have body tag. So body tag contains how many attributes? 2 attributes. One is BG color and another one is text. So what is the value of green? Sorry, what is the value of BG color? Green. So the web page background color becomes green. So what is the value of text attribute? Blue. So the text color on the web page becomes blue. Observe once. So refresh. Changed or not? So this is about attributes. So each and every tag contains attributes, but using them is optional. It depends upon our requirement. Mind it. Okay. It depends upon our requirement. Okay, fine. Now I am going to tell another attribute. What is that? Background. Suppose here this particular web page contains any background image. No, it doesn't contain any background image. Now I want to place background image, or I want to add or insert background image for particular web page. I want to add some theme. Okay. Yes. Is it possible? Yes, possible. So for that we need one attribute. What is that attribute? Background. Okay. Its value specifies URL. URL means uniform resource locator. Nothing but address. Okay. URL, address or location. You can also say location of the image. Location of the image to be displayed as background. To be displayed as background image. Background image to the web page. Okay. Here its value is location of the image. Okay. Suppose there are 2 ways. One is you can display image case 1, case 2. So you first of all you need to save the image. You need to save the image in the folder where your program is available. Okay, for example, so there is one image in my computer. So where it is? So suppose there is one image, that image name is 111. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, I want to add this image as a background for my web page. So for that, there are two cases. Case one, copy this particular web page inside the folder where our HTML program is available. So where is the location of our HTML program? So in the HTML programs. Here the program name is test.html and the image file is 111.jpg. Both are present in same location. Okay. So here I am not interested to change the background color and I am not interested to change the text color on the web page. Okay, that's why I am removing these two attributes. Okay, if you are interested, you can. Okay, so here my interest is I want to set background for my web page. Okay, here you need to specify 1.jpg. Okay, so save this. Now open browser once test. Okay, so we are getting image like this, but no problem, sir. Here image is splitted. Okay, splitted. So listen here, using background attribute to set background image for web page is not recommended. Okay, it is outdated. Okay, so by using CSS we can set the background image for the web page. Okay, so here you need not to bother about this particular background attribute. Why it is coming like this? Okay, by using CSS we can arrange it. Okay, as per our requirement. Okay, right. So is it possible to set the background image for a web page without CSS cascading style sheets? Yes, possible, but it is not recommended. Okay, right. So like this we are setting background image. Sir, what is case 2? Here case 1 is the image location and your HTML program location is same. Okay, now what is case 2? Image is present in different location and your HTML program is present in some other location. Suppose I am deleting this 111 from this location. Suppose it is in another location. So for example, this PC, F drive. So here inside F drive, we have 111.jpg. Okay. Now what is case 2? Where your HTML program is present in which drive? E drive. And the image to be displayed as background image is present in which location? F drive. So both are present in different location. In that particular situation, you need to give absolute path of the image. So what is the absolute path? Inside F drive, you are having 111.jpg. So 111.jpg. Just to copy. Just to copy and paste here. Okay. Save. So refresh. So in this particular situation also we are getting background image. Okay, right. Now here my conclusion is it possible to set background image for your web page? Yes, possible. Without CSS, possible. With CSS, possible. So without CSS, we will set the background like this, but it is not recommended. Okay, because here we are not able to arrange the background image as per our requirement. But if we use CSS, we can set it as per our requirement. Okay, right. Now, so what is the other attribute? Link. A link. Listen here. this is the not right time to explain about these two things. Okay. So these two attributes are used to customize or to apply colors for the hyperlinks. I hope you people know about hyperlinks. Okay. Hyperlinks means, so for example, if you want to search something, inside the Google, okay, suppose I want to search about Google. I want to search about something inside Google. Suppose I want to search about some Sachin Tendulkar or Mahendra Singh Dhoni or Kohli. Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. So now tell me, what are these? These are the hyperlinks. Okay. I will tell you in future how to create hyperlinks. So here, what is the color of this particular hyperlinks? Blue color. I don't want this bloody blue color. Okay. So I want to give some green color or some red color to these hyperlinks. Yes, possible. Okay. This is possible by using which attributes? So this is possible by using link and a link attributes. So I am going to explain these two attributes at the time of creating hyperlinks. Okay. Right. That's it. This is about which tag? Body tag. Okay. Right. So now my requirement is, I want to create a web page. Okay. Just a minute. So I will show you my requirement. So I want to create web page. So in that web page, first line, hello, I need to display hello, and in the second line I need to display bye. Okay. So you people tell me, so where we need to write hello bye? In which tag we need to write? Body tag. Am I right? Suppose here I am writing hello. Okay. And here I am writing bye. Save this particular file and go to your web page. Listen here. Here hello and bye will be displayed side by side. Am I right? But here my requirement is what? I want to display line by line. Okay. Sir, how to do it? It's very simple. In HTML, to do anything, we need one tag. So there is one tag. The tag name is BR. So what is the tag name? BR. So it is a standalone tag. Means it contains opening, but it does not contain closing. Okay. So what is the use of this tag? This tag breaks the line. Okay. Wherever you write BR tag. Okay. So then the tag breaks the line on that particular web page. Okay. Now you people tell me where I need to write the where after displaying hello, I need to break the line. Okay. So then what you need to do? So here after writing hello, you need to specify BR. Okay. So observe here. So this is body tag opening and this is body tag closing. So whatever you wrote inside the body tag, that will be displayed on web page. First of all, hello will be displayed. After that, there is BR tag. So because of BR tag, the cursor goes to next line. Okay. Then bye is displayed. Okay. Observe. So here I am not saving the program. Just save this program. So now observe. So is it clear? Suppose my requirement is I want to display like this. Hi, hello, okay, bye. Hello, okay, bye. That is my requirement. Hello, okay, bye. So how to write hello and okay? Should be in the same line. Bye should be in next line. So then how to write? Just hello, okay. After that, br, okay. So if you write like this, so what is the output? Hello, okay, bye, okay. Right. If you want to send okay to the next line, then you need to write br, hello. After that, hello, the line is breaked, okay. After that, okay, the line is breaked, and bye. So in which manner we are getting output? Hello, after in the next line, okay, in the next line, bye. Okay, observe. So save this program. Okay, save this, refresh. Okay, right. Now my requirement is I want to scroll the text on the web page. Okay, what is my requirement? I want to scroll the text on the web page. For that, scrolling, I think you people know about scrolling. Scrolling means moving text on the web page. Okay, for that we need one tag. The tag name is marquee. So marquee tag opening and marquee tag closing. Marquee tag closing. Okay, marquee tag opening and marquee tag closing. Okay, what is the use of marquee tag? This tag is used to scroll the text, scroll or move, scroll or move the text, the given text, even though you can also scroll image on the web page, Okay, so whatever you wrote inside the marquee tag, that will be scrolled on the web page. Suppose I want to scroll hello. I want to scroll what? Hello. So to display anything, you need to write body tag inside the body tag. So here I am writing marquee tag opening. Here I want to scroll hello. So marquee tag opening and marquee tag closing. So observe one thing. The closing of tags is in reverse order to opening of the tags. Okay. Observe marquee tag opening and marquee tag closing. So listen here. First of all, what is the first tag you are opening? HTML. What is the last tag you are closing? HTML. Okay. Opening. You are closing the tags in the reverse order. Okay. Right. Next here, observe here. Body tag opening, body tag closing. Inside body tag, I am writing marquee tag. Okay. If you specify anything inside the marquee tag, then it will be scrolled on the web page. So click on refresh. Okay. Here you notice one thing. In which direction it is scrolled? From left to right or right to left? So right to left. Okay. I don't want to move it from the text from left to right, or sorry, right to left. I want to move it from left to right. I want to scroll the text to up. I want to scroll the text to down. Is it possible? Yes, possible. So how it is possible? This is possible by using the attributes of marquee tag. So now I am going to tell attribute of marquee tag. Attributes of marquee tag. So there is one attribute. That attribute name is direction. What is the attribute name? Direction. So listen here. It may take value as left or right, or up or down. Okay, left or right or up or down. Okay, right. So if you are not specifying direction attribute, then automatically it takes its value as left. That's why it is moving the text from right to left. Okay, suppose suppose you are going to bus stand and you are going to bus stand and you are traveling through a bus. Okay, after entering into a bus, conductor asks you, okay, where you want to go. So you need to tell source or destination, obviously. So you need to tell destination but not source. Okay, you need to tell the direction to the destination but not to the source. Okay, so here the default value of direction is left. That's why the text is here, the source is right and the destination is left. Okay, so you need to specify always destination as the value of direction attribute. Okay, if you are not specifying any value for direction attribute, by default it takes left. That's why the text is moved from right to left. Okay, suppose I want to move the text from left to right, then you need to specify direction attribute. Okay, here I am writing direction equal to right. Okay, so save the program. Now run this particular program. So direction is changed or not? Sir, I want to move the text to up. Then you need to write up. Okay, up. Now observe. Okay, if you want to scroll the text down, so then you need to write down. So okay, right. So you can write any number of marquee tags. Okay, suppose I am writing like this. Okay, direction. I am not specifying any direction. What it means? The text is moved to left. Okay, now here I am specifying direction as right. Okay, I am specifying direction as down and I am specifying direction as up. So here what happens? Observe. Okay, if you want to change background color, yes, you can. Background BG color equal to some green, blue, whatever it may be, blue, or some I want to change background color as black. Okay, text color as white. So reverse. Okay, like this. Okay, so everything is in the hands of us. Okay, right. Okay, fine. Now this is about marquee tag. Sir, we can scroll only text. No, we can also scroll images also. Okay, after explaining how to add images, I'm going to tell you people how to scroll images. We can also scroll links also. Okay, I think you people observed inside the website latest news. Okay, latest news or latest updates will be scrolled. Hyperlinks are scrolled. Am I right? So we can do. So after creating images, after creating links, I will show you how to scroll them. Okay. Now, is it possible to control the speed? Yes, possible. For that, you need one particular attribute. That attribute name is scroll amount. Okay. So what is the what is the use of scroll amount attribute? It controls the speed of the it controls speed of the text. Okay, speed of the text. Suppose here I am writing scroll amount equal to some 1. Okay, very slowly. It going very slowly. Am I right? Hello is growing very slowly. Suppose here I am giving 100. So observe, is running very fastly. Am I right? So in this way, we are going to control the speed of the scrolling text. Okay, I hope everyone understands very clearly. Okay, so we can scroll the text from left to right, right to left, bottom to top, top to bottom, and also we can control the speed of the scrolling text. We can also scroll images and links also. Okay, now I am going to explain about another tag. So that before going to explain about some other tag, I am going to tell about one thing, that is nothing but doc type. Doc type. Sir, I am going to give one real life example. Suppose you want to establish a engineering college. Is it possible? Yes, possible. If you have a lot of money, you are the owner of engineering college. Okay, establishing engineering college and running engineering college, everybody can do. Okay, but only some people can follow standards. Okay, without following standards, we can run any college. But which one is better, following standards or without following standards? Obviously, following standards is best one. So to write any HTML document, first of all, we need to specify this particular thing. Okay, specifying this particular thing is not mandatory. Okay, it is optional, but it is recommended. Sir, what it is? First of all, what it is? It is not a tag. Remember that it is not a tag. Okay, sir, what is the use of this particular thing? So it defines the document type. Okay, so I want to tell the browser, I want to give the suggestion, I want to give the instruction to the browser. Here I am preparing an HTML document. Okay, how I am going to tell the browser my program is HTML program? So because of this particular line. Okay, doc type. I already said you people what is that HTML program is also called HTML document. Now my requirement is I want to tell browser what is what is that. So here I am writing HTML program. So for that I am using doc type. Okay, it is not a tag. So it defines the document. It defines the document type. It defines the doc type means document type. So all HTML documents must start with it is not rule, but it is recommendation. Okay, must start with a doc type. Okay, doc type declaration. So what is the use of this particular thing? It gives instruction to whom? So it gives instruction, or it is an information. It is an information or instruction to whom? Browser. What is that information? I am writing HTML document or HTML program. Information to the browser about what document type expected. What document type to expect. So listen here. The latest version of HTML language is HTML5. Okay, HTML5. So in HTML5, we are specifying doc type as like this. Doc type. So what is doc type? HTML. Okay. So like this. By seeing this, browser understands. So after this particular line, we are writing HTML program. Okay, like this. Okay. So by seeing this particular line, browser understands the following entire code belongs to HTML language. Okay. Is it mandatory to write this one? No, it is not mandatory, but it is strongly recommended. If you write this thing, you can call a good, you are following standards. So you are going to call good HTML programmer. Okay. So it is not mandatory, but recommended. It is not mandatory, but recommended. Okay. So always you need to write doc type HTML. Okay. So there is no variation in the output. Okay. Same thing. There is no variation. Okay. So I am removing marquee tag. Just I am writing hello. I am also removing attributes. Okay. Now check. There is nothing. Each and every HTML program must start with this particular declaration. Okay. It is strongly recommended. Okay. So now listen here. Now I am going to tell heading tags. So now I am going to tell what? Heading tags. So how many heading tags are there? So there are 6 heading tags. Okay. Observe one thing. Very important. Very important. So heading tags. So there are 6 tags. Those tags are called heading tags. What are those? H1, 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 H2, H1. I am going to copy paste H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag. There are how many heading tags? 6 heading tags. So these tags are used frequently. Okay. H6. These 6 are called heading tags. So what is the use of heading tags? So heading tags defines varying size of the text. Okay. So I want to increase the text size on the web page. I want to decrease the text size on the web page. Okay. So these tags defined with some predefined sizes. Okay. So heading tags. So if I show you practically, then you will get very good clarity. Okay. Heading tags defines varying sizes. Okay. So which one is the large size? H1 being largest. H1 being largest. And among these 6 tags, H6 being smallest. So, sir, what is the relationship between all these tags? So, smallest. So, relationship H1 is greater than H2, greater than H3, greater than H4, greater than H5, greater than H6. Okay. So, among all these 6 tags, if you write anything in between H1 tag, it will be displayed very largely. Okay. Compared to remaining tags. If you write anything in between H2 tag opening and H2 tag closing, it will be smaller than H1 and bigger than H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay. I hope you people understands very clearly. Now I am going to show you practically. Okay. Just a minute. Just only 1 second. Okay. Right. Just wait. Suppose here I am writing H1 hi, H1 tag close. Okay. Next H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I need to change here. H1 tag opening, H2 tag opening, H2 tag closing. H3 tag opening, H3 tag closing. H4 tag opening, H4 tag closing. Okay. H5 tag opening, H5 tag, H6, H6. You can specify any text. Okay. There is no need of writing same text. Once observe the output. So high, different where. So various sizes. Am I right? So which one is bigger size? This one. Okay. So suppose here I am writing H1 for better understanding purpose. Here I am writing H2. Okay. Here I am writing H3 for better understanding purpose. I am writing like this. Okay. You can specify any text in between heading tags. Okay. H5, H6. Now observe, save, observe. Okay. So listen here. H1 tag is defined with some fixed size. Okay, sir, is it possible to specify our own size? Yes, possible. Okay, in future I will tell you how to specify our own size for the given text. So not a issue. Okay, is it clear? The variations between the sizes. I hope you people understand about all these things. Okay, very clearly. Okay, so just a minute. I am going to copy the programs also. So I forgot to copy the programs. Scroll amount. Copy. Just a minute. Just a minute. Only 2 minutes. So example 1, example 2. So up to now, you are learning how many tags? Just for clarity purpose. So HTML tag. So every HTML program starts with which tag? HTML tag. Every HTML document, which one is the starting tag? HTML tag. Okay. So next, head tag. So I will explain more about head tag later. Okay. So inside the head tag, we will specify metadata. Sir, what is metadata? Metadata is nothing but data about data. Okay. What is metadata? Metadata is nothing but data about data. Okay. Right. So next head tag. What after that? Title tag. I'm going to give you clarity. Okay. If there is no clarity, there is no use of learning all these things. Okay. Next, after that, body tag. And after that, marquee tag. Okay. After that, marquee tag. Heading tags. There are 6 heading tags. Okay. Right. So heading tags. So, and one special thing, what is that? It is not a tag, but it is recommended. Okay, right. Okay, so we will discuss more tags in the next class, but wait for 1 minute. I am going to show how recording videos are uploading by our team. Okay, right, like this. Okay, so just a minute. I am going to enable chat box. Just a minute. Okay, so listen here. So like this recorded videos are available in YouTube. Okay, right? So